In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add shipping charges in WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process step by step. So by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a shipping zone and assign a shipping cost that will automatically be applied at checkout. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the WooCommerce option. Hover your mouse over it, and from the sub-menu that appears, click on Settings. This is where most of your store's main configurations live. Inside the settings area, you'll see several tabs along the top. Go ahead and click on the shipping tab. This section is dedicated to how shipping works in your store. Here, you'll either see a list of existing shipping zones, or if you haven't set any up yet, you'll be prompted to create one. A shipping zone is basically a group of locations that share the same shipping rules or prices. To start from scratch, click the Add Zone button. This opens the zone editor, where you'll define exactly where the shipping rule will apply and what it will cost. At the top, enter a zone name. This is just for your reference, so choose something clear, like domestic shipping or Europe standard. It won't be visible to customers, but it should help you stay organized as your store grows. Next, click on the Zone Regions field. This will open up a drop-down list of regions and countries. Scroll or start typing to search, then select the specific countries or regions where you want this shipping zone to apply. You can select one or multiple, depending on your needs. For example, you might create one zone for your home country and another for international destinations. After setting the region, move down to the Shipping Methods section and click Add Shipping Method. A pop-up window will appear with different options. Choose flat rates so you can set a specific fixed cost for shipping in this zone. Then click Continue and wait for the pop-up to reload. Now it's time to configure that flat rate. Give this shipping method a clear name, such as Standard Shipping or Express Shipping. Customers will see this label at checkout, so make it descriptive. For tax status, decide whether this shipping charge should be taxable or not, based on your local tax rules. Finally, in the cost field, enter the amount you want to charge for this shipping method. Once everything looks good, click Create and Save. Your new shipping zone and shipping charge are now active and ready to use in your WooCommerce store.